Hello and welcome to another mini course presented by the Center for Teaching Excellence. Today we're going to take the audio that we cleaned up in Audition and move it into Premiere. If you haven't watched our mini course on how to use Premiere, go back and watch that prior to starting this mini course. Alright, here we can see that I've opened up Premiere just as in our previous mini course, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to import my video file and my audio file. So I'm going to go to File, Import. I'm going to navigate to my folder that I'm working in. I'm going to import my video and audio file that was edited in Audition, and then I'm going to select Open. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that video file into my timeline just like we did before, and here we can see the video file and the audio file. Now the audio file here is the uncorrected audio file. This is the original audio file. And if I try to click on this, it selects both the video file and the audio file. But if I hold down the Alt key and click on the audio file, you can see that it specifically selects the audio. If I push the Delete key, it removes it. Now we have no audio for a video track. But I can import that audio track that I edited. Click, drag, make sure that they're lined up, and now we have the audio and video track together. This is another one of those times where Premiere tricks you. It looks like we're good to go, but we need to merge the audio and video clips. To merge the two tracks, I'm going to highlight both of them, just click and drag. I'm going to right click. Then I want to select Merge Clips. I can name it if I like, and usually I just call this Merged. Then I select OK. Now I know this may sound crazy, but I'm going to select my two files and then push the Delete key. The reason I'm doing this is the two files that are there are not merged. I want to use my merged file as I'm editing my video. To do that, I'm going to drag in the merged file onto the timeline. We can see that the merging process here has created a duplicate of the audio. To remove the unwanted audio, hold down the Alt key, click A2, then push the Delete key. When you're happy with everything, select File, Save. Now I know this seems like a lot of work, but it really does make your audio sound dramatically better. And after a few times of doing it, it should take you less than 5 minutes to do the whole process. In the next video, we're going to take a look at how to add background audio to your video. Remember, if you need any help with audio or video, feel free to drop by the Center for Teaching Excellence.